Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's sure to pique the interest of all our e-commerce enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the world of Ryder e-commerce, brought to you by Whiplash. So kindly hit like, share, and subscribe first, and sit back, relax, and let's get started. Ryder e-commerce. What's that all about? Well, imagine having the power to streamline your online business operations, effortlessly manage inventory, and enhance your customer experience all in one global network. That's exactly what Ryder e-commerce offers. But before we delve into its advantages, let's first understand how this incredible platform came to be. It all started when a group of passionate entrepreneurs identified the need for a more efficient and reliable e-commerce solution. They analyzed various industry pain points and set out to create a platform that would revolutionize the way online businesses operate. With tireless research and collaboration, Ryder e-commerce was born. So how does one use Ryder e-commerce? Well, the process is simple. Once you sign up for an account, you'll have access to comprehensive services that empowers you to manage your inventory, process orders, and track shipments seamlessly like a full-service platform like Amazon and Google streamlining logistics. You can integrate your online store with Ryder e-commerce effortlessly, whether you're using popular platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Let me show you just how user-friendly this platform is. With a few clicks, you can import your product listings, set up inventory thresholds, and even automate order fulfillment. Ryder e-commerce integrates with major shipping carriers, ensuring you get the best rates and options for your business. The intuitive interface makes it easy to track and manage shipments, giving you complete control over your fulfillment process. Now, let's talk about the advantages of using Ryder e-commerce. Firstly, it offers scalability. Whether you're a small business, just starting, or an established enterprise, Ryder e-commerce can handle your growth effortlessly, offering flexible solutions for various business sizes. The platform is designed to accommodate your increasing inventory and order volume, ensuring your business can expand without a hitch. Secondly, Ryder e-commerce provides an excellent technology-driven approach. With features like automated warehousing notifications and fulfillment processes. We all know that the company's advanced technology is efficient and accurate and can also make a good customer impact, right? It can also cater to diverse business requirements. Additionally, Ryder e-commerce integrates seamlessly with other numerous e-commerce platforms, managing online stores and logistics. Moreover, with the climate-controlled storage options, other aspects of your business can benefit from the said feature. But of course, no system is perfect, and Ryder e-commerce is no exception. It's important to consider some of the potential disadvantages. While the platform integrates with major e-commerce platforms, there may be compatibility limitations with lesser-known or custom-built systems. It can offer not the best option, especially for startup businesses for their pricing and volume limits. Lastly, as it offers custom pricing, potential customers are more likely to find it hard to gauge costs without contacting the company for price details. To sum it all up, Ryder e-commerce by Whiplash is an impressive platform that revolutionizes the way you manage your online business. It's easy to use, scalable, and provides an exceptional customer experience. While it may have some limitations, the advantages it brings to the table far outweigh them. If you want to take your e-commerce game to the next level, I highly recommend checking out Ryder e-commerce for you to learn more about this game-changing platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our exciting content. Until next time, happy selling with Ryder e-commerce!